Hey, what is up guys? This is Elton Chukino of Hobbies and Collection, and for today's video is i-discuss natin kung papaano mag-screen record using the DJI RC2 controller or the RC1, yung bagong remote ng DJI. This one is from Mini 4 Pro, and if you haven't watched my video, unboxing video, in-depth review, range test regarding sa Mini 4 Pro, so I have a lot of videos na na-post sa channel natin. You can check all my videos there. Ngayon, kaya i-discuss natin to is because medyo maraming nagtanong sa akin kung paano nga bang mag-screen record at kung paano kukunin yung screen record sa DJI RC2 controller. So, ayun, madali lang. So, let's open the remote control. And right now, hindi nakabukas yung ating drone. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-record. I think most of you guys alam naman na kung paano mag-record sa screen. So, ito is para makita yung kung ano yung actual na nakikita nyo sa screen. If ever you're doing some review or kailangan nyo mapakita sa viewers nyo yung mga settings ng camera nyo, maganda yung functionality na meron ng screen record. To do that, so swipe down nyo lang. So, like here, swipe down and meron tayong screen record. So, pwede tayong mag-take ng screen record. So, this one is video na screen recording. At sa right side is screenshot. So, sample, we wanted to take a specific setting sa screen natin or yung buong screen. So, screenshot lang. So, right now, screen record. So, pindutin nyo lang yan. And then, may makikita kayong recording dito sa screen natin. So ito, so pwede nyong i-move yan kung saan nyo gusto. So yan, so here. At kung gusto nyo namang i-stop na, like for example, okay na, tapos na yung screen record nyo, so stop nyo lang. So, ayun, ganun lang siya kadali. Ang problem dito is, I also mentioned it in my other video, which is the 6 problems of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. And if you haven't watched the video about that, ilalagay ko sa screen yung link para mapanood nyo yung video. So, somewhere in the screen, so I think here or here. So, ayun, para mapanood nyo. Isa sa problem yon ng DJI RC2 controller. Pag nagre-record tayo ng screen, it will not save on your SD card. So, sample, we do have SD card here. So, ayan, meron siya. So, eto, magagamit lang to pag magda-download tayo ng videos coming from the drone. So, yung screen record natin is nasi-save siya sa internal storage. Just letting you know, yung setup na yon is one of the problem that I checked. I already reached out sa DJI support team about that. And unfortunately, hindi tayo nakakapag-save directly ng screen recording sa SD card. So, downside nito is, pag screen record tayo, tapos kailangan natin kunin yung screen record natin or yung video. So, we need to plug this to our computer. Kailangan natin ng USB to Type-C. So, meron naman tayo dyan. Kasama namang Type-C to USB yon, yung ating remote control. Pero medyo hassle lang kasi syempre kailangan mo pang isaksak. And another problem na na-encounter ko dito is, as you know, dito sa likod ko. So, if you see this screen, this is a Mac. So, I'm using the Mac Mini M1 chip. Ang problem dito is dapat, so actually supposed to be, na-mention ko to sa 6 problems, which is pang 7 na problems. Hindi siya nadidetect sa Mac Mini M1 chip. I think M1 and M2. I already reached out to DJI about this sa support team nila. So, unfortunately, sabi sa akin is itry ko daw sa Windows. Yung gumagana lang sa ngayon is using Windows. So, paano ba natin kukunin yung video na screen record natin? Plug lang natin yon, kunin natin yung Type-C to USB na cable, and then plug it to laptop or computer na Windows, since yun lang yung nakakapag-detect pa ng ating DJI RC2 controller. Once na plug in na yan, so makikita na natin yung internal storage. Under internal storage, pupunta lang tayo sa movies na folder. Kung makikita nyo, nandito yung screen record natin ngayon. Para lang alam nyo kung paano kunin yung video sa RC2 controller. There's a pros and cons sa pag-screen record. So, ayun nga, makapag-screen tayo pero basically hindi natin makukuha directly sa SD card, and then hindi siya nababasa as of now sa Mac M1. Yun yung gamit ko ngayon, M1 chip. I'm not sure kung gumagana siya sa ibang version. So, let me know guys if you tried plugging it in your MacBook or any Mac na computer. So let me know kung gumagana sa inyo or nakukuha nyo yung screen record. Please comment down below para malaman ko. Quick tutorial lang tayo sa ngayon. So dahil medyo maulan at may low pressure area dito sa amin, so hindi ako makapag outdoor unboxing or outdoor review. So abangan nyo kasi madami pa akong review na gagawin sa Mini 4 Pro natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng tutorial, in-depth review sa Mini 3 versus Mini 4, and camera, picture, and video side by side. So gagawa tayo ng video para doon. So ayun guys, just wanted to let you know para meron kayong aabangan na video sa channel ko. And again, this is Elton Chukino of Habisen Collection. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace!